Hey guys, so this time around I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on any machine regardless of system requirements. No TPM, not a problem. Not enough memory, not a problem. Not right CPU, not a problem. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to need, of course, is our Windows 11 ISO, our image. You can get it right from the Microsoft website. What we're going to do is we're going to scroll down. We just want the image. So we're going to select download Windows 11 multi-edition ISO. And we're going to download that. And then we're going to hit, let's see, we need the English United States version. So we're going to hit confirm. Link is valid for 24 hours. We're going to hit our download button. And we're just going to save it to our desktop. Okay, now that we have our Windows 11 ISO, we're going to need to download Rufus, which I already have. But all you need to do is to Google Rufus and download and install this. There's a portable version and a version you can install. Once you have that, we are going to open Rufus. And from here, you'll select your flash drive. I have a 64 gig flash drive selected. And then we're going to select our image. We're going to be here on our desktop. We're going to find our disk right here, Windows 11. We're going to select open. All of this we can leave alone. There's nothing else to change here unless you want to create a Windows to go. But that's not what we're doing right now. If you want to install this on an older system that does not have UEFI or support GPT, you can select MBR, and this will allow you to install it on a older system that doesn't have UEFI. But for this purpose, we're going to select GPT. Okay, you don't need to change the name if you don't want to. All this can stay the same. And we're going to hit start. After you hit start, you get this right here, customize Windows installation. Remove the requirement for the 4 gig plus of memory, secure boot, and the TPM 2.0 restrictions. It'll remove all of that for you. Remove requirements for an online Microsoft account so you can create a local account. You can even have it put in an account with your name. So it'll go ahead and set up your account for you. You can set your regional options, the same value. So if you're in the US or all that, it'll go ahead and set all that for you. And disable data collection, all the privacy questions, the ad collecting, all of that. It'll go ahead and disable all of that for you as well. And you can leave all those checked. And then we hit OK. It's going to let you know that it's going to destroy all the data that's on the device because it has to format it. Just hit OK. And then from there, it will format your flash drive, and it will create a bootable flash drive. From there, all you have to do is put it in your computer, you boot from it, and then you just install Windows like you normally would. And that's it. That's all there is to it. I hope that helps. I'll see you next time.